Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install NotebookLM on your PC or laptop in very easy way. You can install it like an app on Windows using your browser. So let's start step by step. First, open any internet browser on your computer like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. And now go to Google, open google.com. On the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon, the small dots. Now scroll down until you see NotebookLM. Click on it. Now look at the top right corner of your browser. Click on the three dots menu. Then select Cast, Save and Share. After that, click on Install NotebookLM. Click Install. Once installed, NotebookLM will appear like a normal desktop app. You can open it anytime directly from your desktop or Start menu. And that's it. This is the easiest way to install NotebookLM on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.